Hello, my name is Professor Brett Davies. Well, there are lots and lots of different types of option agreements. I'd like to take you through 3 different types of documents you can build on our law firm's website. The first document is a call option. So there is an owner, the vendor wanting or maybe willing to sell an asset, and there is the grantee who may or may not want to buy the asset. So the owner is got a desk, beautiful carved desk, Huon pine from Tasmania, and someone's come and said, "Look, I like the table. I know it's not for sale, but I think I could find a buyer for it, and I'd like to take an option to buy it for $250,000. It's a lot of money. $250,000 for that table." You go, "Sure, I'll give that to you." Now, the person that wants to buy it is going to buy it as an agent, wants to shop it around somewhere, but they want to feel comfortable that after 3 or 4 months' work, they do eventually find a buyer, that you're forced as the owner to sell it. So all the terms of the sale are in. So the purchase price, the option fee, that's how much you paid for the option. Maybe it's $1, maybe it's $1,000, maybe it's $10,000, whatever the option fee is. There's a purchase price, we know that's $250,000. The time period, the option period in which to exercise, that might be, say, 6 months. The vendor, the owner, that's the grantor, that's the one giving the option away. That's a call option. So it's where the purchaser calls the asset from the owner. There's also a put option. We don't sell these, they're not very common, we don't sell them online. If you need one, please telephone me. I've never done one in my life because no one's ever wanted one. But a put option is when the owner can force the purchaser to buy it. So let's have a look. Daniel, do you want to come over here for a minute? Daniel, come over here, come sit down here. So Daniel's one of our excellent law graduates here. Come over here, Daniel, to make a bit of space for you. Daniel, I own something and you are the vendor. I am the vendor, I'm the owner, I'm the grantor, and you're the grantee. So I have this, what have we got? What asset would you like it to be?
Car.
A car. And what type of car would you like to buy from me? I've got a Mercedes. Well, Mercedes I don't think much of. I'm more of an Audi guy, but maybe it's an SL, because I have had an SL. I do like the sports cars. What year is it?
2014.
Well, here it is here. So I've got a 2014 SL Mercedes-Benz, and I'm happy to sell it for, what are they worth on the market at the moment? Say $180,000?
Yeah.
Okay, $180,000. Okay, well I'll sell it to you for $180,000. But you can't, because you don't have that money, you're just a kid. You're just a young graduate. We don't pay that much money at the law firm, so you're going to have to go somewhere and talk to someone about some finance. Who would that be? Parents? Maybe your car yard?
Mark, my friend's
Mark.
guarantee.
Mark, come over here then. Well, Mark's over here. So Mark can be your, maybe a bit of a father. Mark, do you want to come over here? Okay, come over here. So here we go, Mark. So we've got Mark. Now, this is your mate, your friend. Mark, would you lend Hamish $180,000?
Yes, I will.
No, you've got to say, I don't know.
Well, I don't know.
He doesn't know. And how long will it take for you to find out whether you'll lend Daniel the money?
2 weeks.
2 weeks. Thank you, Mark, for coming along. So you need to now get from me an option agreement, keeping the car going for 2 weeks. And in that time period, if you get the money from Mark, you can exercise the option agreement. Does that suit you?
I look forward to it.
Okay. And what's the settlement period? If you do exercise the option, how many days do you need to get the money off Mark?
Just 7.
7 days. So the option period will be 2 weeks and the settlement date will be 7 days. So whatever day you exercise the option, you have 7 days to give me the money. Upon the exercise of the option, you've got to give me 10%, so you need to have that, $18,000. And I do need an option fee. How much are you going to pay me as an option fee, which you're never going to get back if you don't exercise the option? How much do you want?
Not much.
Yeah, no, but I want more because I want some commitment from you. I mean, I'm taking the car off the market.
How does $100 sound?
That sounds disgustingly low. I need this is an SL sports car. What would 10% be okay? $18,000? No, it's too high. That's it. What about you say $1,000?
I could do $1,000.
$1,000. Okay, that's a bit of a sting for young Daniel here. If I get it, I can still go for it. So let's give Daniel a round of applause for being in the video. Round of applause. Thank you very much.